Hey guys, Robbie at RC Detail here. As we talked about last week, we were going to start showing you guys some of the fun, cool stuff we get in here. And this week, Ben has been working on a 40-foot stretch limo. We have the privilege of working with Bot Transportation. We ceramic coat all of their vehicles. That way they look fresh and clean for when you guys use their transportation services. This limo is completely decked out. It actually was a standard Suburban. The owner has to ship that Suburban down south to California, and they stretch this thing out, and it takes 8 to 12 weeks for the whole process to happen. We went through afterwards. Ben performed a 2-stage paint correction and then coated the vehicle in our 9-year ceramic coating Crystal Serum Ultra by G-Technic. This thing is fully loaded. It's got party lights inside. Carly and his team had the whole thing fully loaded. It's all set up with Christmas lighting going on right now. Awesome stereo system. I think it seats 18. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for a fun ride, maybe into Anchorage or out to Alaska or something for Christmas party, whatnot, give these guys a holler. Their customer service is phenomenal. My team has used them for rides to the airport and whatnot. Definitely give them a holler, and we appreciate your time. Thanks, Alaska.